Words na kadalasang ginagamit ng mga small YouTubers during live stream and premiere. Lolo means YouTube. I don't know bakit lolo. Pwede namang lola, pwedeng nanay, pwedeng tatay. Sila lang nakakaalam guys. Kaya it's a lolo. Money means monetize channel or monetization. For two things, dalawang bagay na kailangan gawin para maging monetize, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a year. So good luck guys. Bahay. Bahay means YouTube channel. So during live stream, pag sinasabing magbaba ka ng bahay, drop your YouTube channel and here's a sample link for your bahay. So guys, remember bahay is a YouTube channel. Thumbs up means like. So whatever videos you viewed, don't forget to thumbs up guys. Like it, okay? Thumbs up. Bakas. Mag-iwan ng bakas. Ibig sabihin nun, put your comments down below. So guys, maliit na bagay pero malaking tulong to. So don't forget to give your comments when you're watching a video. So okay, bakas. Kalembang. So when you like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell para masubaybayan nyo yung mga bagong videos. Okay? Kalembang. Banana! It means subscribers. So everyone loves bananas. So guys, do it properly to get your banana. Okay? What you want? A banana! Lagas. Pagkatanggal ng iyong mga subscribers. So guys, to gain a proper banana, do it properly. Hit the notification bell, like, comments, so you will not get lagas. Pull back. Ibig sabihin, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The best thing to do para hindi mawala ng bananas is do pull back. Everything is there, like, subscribe, and notify. Guys, don't be a budol, nandadaya, or nagpaasa subscribers. So, ibig sabihin, sinabihin lang, babalikan kita, I will subscribe you. But, hindi pala. So, don't be a budol. So, remember, a cheater is always a loser. Okay? Oh, palo. Pagkatanggap ng copyright claim or strike. So guys, be careful. Follow the community guidelines of YouTube. So don't put any videos that against the guidelines. So guys, be good every time to your video.